Sikat sa TikTok itong Tala Bar, pero wala masyadong nagfi-feature na super creative din pala ang mga cocktails nila. But of course, I tried their talaba first, the ceviche version. Masarap siya and okay naman ang tiyan ko after. And by the way, buhay pala ang talaba kahit wala sa tubig. Napansin ko kasi yung talaba nila na flown from Aklan, nasa isang aquarium na walang tubig. As per the staff, they can survive without water for 3 days. In fairness, bagong info yan sa akin. Witty pala ang name na Tala Bar. Nakuha ang words na talaba and bar. Speaking of bar, as for the cocktails, naintriga ako sa Dark Knight Soda, which is a mocktail. Aside from having dark, gorgeous color layers, in fairness ha, masarap siya. This might be the most intriguing soda I've tasted. It has agave, butterfly pea, mint, lemon, and soda water. The other two I did not taste kasi may maagang event pa ako the next day and I didn't want to drink alcohol. Napansin ko lang the staff making them and I'll try them next time. The Gorilla Buzz may smoke machine parang concert, then the Lady in Blue na may smoke trapped in a bubble, panalo, parang pa-concert din. In fairness ha, talo ng Tala Bar sa creativity ang mga mas mahal na cocktails sa ibang hotel dyan. By the way, may free nori chips sa table, panalo talaga si Tala Bar. Yung ibang hotel bars nga, walang free nuts man lang. Click follow for the next story.